later today, which everybody expects. What would that mean for the people you represent?
It would mean a lot, but what would it mean to the people of Britain? And Britain, that's the most important question, because this is more about Britain than it is about Palestine. Palestine existed long before the Balfour Declaration. Palestine existed long before Israel. Palestine is the cradle of civilization, the birthplace of Christianity. So we existed. The issue today is ending the denial of our existence that started in 108 years ago, in 1917. And I think today the British people should celebrate a day when history is being corrected, when wrongs are being righted, when recognition of the wrongs of the past are beginning to be corrected, and when taking responsibility of that colonial era, because that era has led us directly to the genocide in Gaza today, and that era has led to the ethnic cleansing of 2/3 of the Palestinian people during the Nakba and during the British Mandate. So today, we welcome such a historic step, and historic because, as Secretary David Lammy said in the UN in July, the hands of history is on our shoulders, meaning that the hands of British history on this whole conflict. So of course we will welcome it, Laura, and of course this is a step forward in the direction of peace, in the direction of justice, and in the direction of ending the erasure and the genocide.
But there are Palestine later today, which everybody